Let's see if we can decrease the size of the number of nodes, and we'll do that by inserting a method for all 4 bodies. So I'll say select all, apply. So I have 4 bodies here. And for method, now multi-zone will give me a pure hex mesh. That is the most desirable. In this case, it doesn't work without some additional massaging, and we'll do that when we do the mesh refinement study. So for now, we will use the second best method, hex dominant, and update the mesh. And if I highlight mesh, I see now it looks like it's mostly hexes, and the number of nodes have decreased to about 27,000 from 48,000. So more than 20,000 nodes have been, it's less than over 20,000 nodes, and that's under the student version limit. We'll use that as our initial mesh with the understanding that, we need to improve it. For instance, if we go and look at the quality of the mesh, the element quality, and let me expand this here. So you see it has tetrahedrals, hexahedrals, wedges, and pyramids. It's mostly hexahedrals, but you also have the other kinds. And the 10 means that the each tetrahedral element has 10 nodes, which would include the mid-side nodes. The hexahedral has 20 nodes, and so on. Let's take a look at the elements that are good. So I'll click on those there. I'll minimize this, and you can see those are the good elements with high quality. If I go back to mesh metrics and look at the other end of the spectrum, so look at the elements that have poor quality, and let me take a look at the tetrahedral elements, and I'll minimize that. You see that they're almost flattened. So they are of poor quality and they'll degrade your results, and so we need to fix that when we do a mesh refinement study. But this is a good enough mesh for our initial pass. So I will just deselect element quality here, and I'll zoom out, and I will save the project, and I'll say overwrite.